Welcome back to part 4 of the Little Horus drag racing Beetle build, and today is a very scary day for me because it's Dyno Day. Okay, let's talk a little bit about the results. The car made 171 horsepower on the dyno. That's at the wheels. So by my calculation, it's probably around about 220 at the flywheel. We were running only 8 pounds of boost on this run. That's the maximum we got, and that's at 6,000 revs. Now the boost was set really quite low, quite conservative, which is why I've decided that one of my next steps is to actually get a boost gauge. Now I fitted a Turbo Smart boost gauge because it's the only way, apart from uprating the spring in the wastegate, that we could have added more boost to the car. Now we're only running 8 pounds of boost, like I said, at the moment. So the idea is we're going to do a few more runs, test out the car, and then start adding a little bit more boost. Now the rule of thumb really is, or the rule of thumb, so I've heard, is that for every pound of boost you get roughly about an extra 15 brake horsepower. So if we added an extra say boosted up to 14 psi, we'll be running this car round about the 250 horsepower at the wheels, which is what I probably really would expect from a 2332 turbo motor. But this is the first run. I'm happy with everything. Nothing blew up. The car run well, no oil leaks. We're going to test it on the strip next week. We'll have a video of that, of the testing. But for now, yeah, onwards and upwards, and let's see what times we get out of the engine.